Everyone, Jan Durant here today to share with you a page on my website. If you go to jandurant.com, you'll find this by just typing in Silent Night in the search bar at the top, or there's also a link below the video. Just in time for Christmas, this is a level 2 beautiful arrangement of Silent Night, arranged here by Gilbert De Benedetti. And the sheet music, let's take a look at it first. If you click on this blue link, gives you a good idea visually of what you'll be dealing with here. It is going to be in the key of C major. The right hand starts out with the thumb on C and 4 on G. And then when your hand position changes again, they give you new fingering. So the right hand moves around a little bit out of its position, much more so than the left. The left hand is kind of stationary with the left hand in C position, 3 starting on E. Right here you have your thumb on G, and then the 2 goes over to play the A and come back. So this is all completely detailed in the practice tips and the demonstration. Let's just look at this a little bit. The audio is not going to be very good on it, but you can definitely, when you come to this page, see how it goes.
Silent Night piano tutorial. Right. The link to print this music. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you get the idea. The audio isn't very good when I try to make a recording of a recording. The other thing I want you to take a look at is there are free piano practice tips right here that shows you how to practice the piece. And while you're on this page, be sure to look over to the categories on the right-hand side and click on Christmas Easy Piano. And that will bring you to this picture of the keyboard with the holly and the pine cones on it, with another list of links for you to play these another group of pieces. Angels We Have Heard on High, Deck the Halls, Good King Wenceslas, and some of them are for beginner piano, and some of them are for a late beginner piano, and some are level 2 and level 3. So you just have to kind of click on each one to find out. And below this is the First Noel, Carol of the Bells, and Coventry Carol, and so on. So you can scroll down and find all these individual pieces from this Christmas Easy Piano page. Again, if you lose it, just go down here to the piano categories and click on Christmas Easy Piano. I hope this gets you excited about learning or going back and relearning some new Christmas pieces. All of these include piano tutorials and are free to print. So you have a whole library of Christmas pieces here for you to enjoy for the holidays. Give me your feedback and let me know which other ones you'd like to see. And be sure to stay close to my YouTube channel, because I'm putting out some new Christmas carols just in the next few days. Enjoy.